Just like that, the new season of the EPL is here. We don't know where we're going to watch it yet, but that's another story. For what should be an interesting season, especially the top 4 race with at least 6 teams in contention for the 4 spots. So here we go. The Mavericks top 6 for the upcoming EPL season. No emotions, no sentiments. In 6th position will be Manchester United. Ten Hag will get frustrated and want to leave Old Trafford before the end of the season. In 5th position will be Arsenal, just missing top 4 again. In place will be Chelsea. Good pieces in, but the Blues will again struggle for consistency. In 3rd place will be Tottenham Hotspurs. Good coach, Antonio Conte. Good players and good additions. The team to watch. And in 2nd place will be Liverpool FC. Yes. With still the greatest coach in the world. But my team will fall just short again this season, which means for the 5th time in the last 6 seasons and the 2nd season in a row, powerful squad, decent coach. So the 2022-2023 English Premier League champions will again be Manchester City. Boring.